We've seen excellent consistency in terms of the cable builds from the cable partners that we work with, and we're partnered with all of the major manufacturers of cables in different regions of the world. Many of them actually have good automated workflows for actually assembling cables and so forth, and so we don't see a lot of difference in terms of the overall loss per channel as you look at the same length of cable. Couple that with the fact that we have a very rigorously and tightly controlled gain in our parts across production and across voltage and temperature. That is a winning combination for being able to produce a cable that is going to be consistent from day 1 to day 100 to day 300 and beyond. And that's really what customers are experiencing with ACCs that are built by a combination of our partners and Semtech silicon, is a solution that is consistent across their entire production run, which means that they can confidently deploy a server rack today, or they can deploy it a year from now, and they're going to get that same performance that they're expecting. That's really what the advantage of an ACC is there's really no guessing involved in how that's going to deploy year after year.